So, you ready?
Yeah.
Awesome, have fun.
Okay.
Hey, I'm just gonna grab your feet here, Robert. Pull you in. There we go. How was that?
That was awesome.
All right, you can stand up now if you'd like.
No.
No? There you go.
Yeah.
So you can loosen those straps, make yourself a bit more comfortable again. All right. And here's your trolley there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, Tammy, the bighorn brake is reset and ready for you.